We are going to be showing you how to get the Instacart income verification. It's an income verification letter for those who need it. Maybe you might need it for, I don't know, you might be trying to get into an apartment and you tell them you're self-employed. You might need it to get a car and you're telling them you're self-employed. So I'm going to show you today how to get that done. Yeah. So basically where you're going to want to start at is your phone. I'm going to put this link for you guys in the description below so you can easily just copy it and go straight to it. But basically, I have it in my notes here. You're going to go to shoppers.instacart.com / income _ verifications. And once you go here, this will pop up. You'll see to put your phone number in. Don't worry, guys, it's completely safe. And I'm not a robot. Boom, code sent. Then put in the code. Easy, right? Now you have these different options and they'll send you these stuff in PDF file, which is even better because, usually banks, they ask for PDF statements and stuff like that. So you can choose between last 30, 60, 90 days or year to date or previous month, 3 months, 6 months, or last year. And then they also have all payments from when you started working there. So boom, soon as you do that, you go here. It'll show you everything you've made for each week of the year that you made it. So that's awesome. Everything is there. It says your name, Jason, blah, 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 was working for Instacart. So from here, you're going to click share. It's going to share as a PDF document. I would save this to your files maybe and download it there. And now you can share straight from your files. Income verification. Boom. And when you share it now, it'll share as it should share as a PDF file. Income statement, send a copy. But yeah. And that's how you do it. That is how you do it, my friends. So it's a quick video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys on the next one. Also, comment down below if you guys need do any other self-employment type jobs that you might need help providing proof of income for. Comment down below and I'll figure out how to get those pay stubs for you. So yeah, thank you guys. See you on the next one.